Hi guys, so today we will be heading to the new home to do our homeowners orientation. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me just to show you guys what the new house looks like, and yeah, to video a bit of it. Alrighty you guys, so stay tuned to my channel. Yeah, so with the homeowners orientation, basically this is where the site manager is going to show us or tell us about everything in the home, from the solar panels to the electrical, the plumbing, how everything works, how to operate the security system and stuff like that. So it's going to be a 3 to 4 hour process where, you know, he's gonna show us every single detail of the new home and how everything works together. So stay tuned for that. As I said, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with us. I'm gonna try to video as much as I possibly can. So yeah, stay tuned for that. It should be a very fun-filled 3 to 4 hours. So yeah, looking forward to it, very excited. So see you guys in the next clip. So now we have arrived at the house, you guys, for the homeowners orientation. So come on in.
Let me get my hair ready.
Action.
There we go. I need the director. So this is part. It's basically an override or a timer for the ventilation system for the house. So the ventilation system works in conjunction with the furnace. So the furnace obviously has lots of power. It blows air through the house and heats the house. But when we're in the bathroom and we're taking a shower or something like that. Now in the old homes, we used to have the fans that would suck the moisture out.
I hate those
And
fans.
they would always be so noisy and they'd be like, oh, as soon as you could see in the mirror, you'd turn it off, but it's still all that moisture's trapped. This home, all of Jamin homes are very airtight homes, which makes them very energy efficient. But the problem is any excess moisture, just breathing that moisture has nowhere